All right.
All right, good morning, YouTube family. Normally we're doing reviews of cooking stuff, but every now and then, when I come up with a clever idea, at least what I think is clever, I like to share it with y'all. So we're removing some fence posts today, and I want to show y'all something that I came up with that worked the first time. Let's see what it worked again. So we're gonna drill a hole through this fence post.
Move, Fitzgerald. Move, Fitzgerald.
All right.
Probably should have on safety glasses.
Yes, I should have on safety glasses. Note to my viewing audience, safety glasses required. All right, if y'all can see, I built this little contraption. I took two of my 2x4s. I took 2 pieces of scrap wood and attached them with screws. And I already got a hole drilled through right here. So we're gonna take this, put on top of the fence post, like so. See if my hole matches. That's something I forgot to check. All right, we're gonna take this bolt.
Can I get over there?
Yeah, we're gonna stick it through the hole as soon as I can find it. Got to paint some hair. All right, now you can step back just a little bit.
Come here, Fitz.
Well, let's shake the pole and make sure she's loose. Ooh, that one ain't that loose. My son helped me get the other pole loose. I don't want to loosen that one. All right. Oh yeah.
That's pretty loose, Daddy. Be careful.
All right. Now, we're simply gonna take this. We're gonna stand on the end. And take a couple of 2x4s and stick underneath that tire.
Move, Fitzgerald. It's dangerous.
Fitzgerald gonna be in the middle of everything we do.
Fitzgerald, move. Not that way.
Do one more.
Fitzgerald. Fitzgerald is killing your shot right now.
Yeah. Fitzgerald, get out of the way. All right, hold on, son. And there we have it. She's out of the ground just like that. Grab that. Go ahead and pull it out. Pull it straight towards you, if you can. There you go. All right, fam. There you have it. Just like that. Fence posts up, including drilling the holes, building this, and getting the fence posts out. You're looking at maybe 15 minutes for the initial setup. After that, 5 minutes per post. I just wanted to share that with y'all real quick. A clever idea that I came up with. All my ideas are super clever. That's just the guy I am. All right, if y'all enjoyed this video, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these
awesome videos.
It's your boy Rosie. Peace.